Alright guys, so we're at Gorio's house. The other day when we bought some things from Mary Joy and Gorio, we forgot the mirror at Grand Mall. So we have the receipt, and we just want to come here and do a quick little update because they're starting the terrace. And so I'll let you just look around. Gorio started the walls. So that's moving over pretty quickly. And then the ceiling maybe later. And then look out here. Nice stretch. So that looks really good. So we're gonna hurry up and go to the store, the Grand Mall. Hopefully we can get the mirror without any problems. We have the receipt. We left it by the escalator. We remember now that we did. We brought everything out to the tricycle because they delivered it with the tricycle. And then I was editing the videos last night and I was like, oh, we didn't deliver the mirror.
Hey guys, we got our leftover item, the mirror. Gladly, they gave it to us.
Thank you, Grandma.
Yeah, they knew that it's ours.
Yeah, they pretty much did you forget something the other day? We're
Yeah.
like, yeah. So thank you.
Yeah.
All right, hey guys, we're just passing by Gorio. He said he should be finished in the next couple days. That table looks really good, bro. I really like that. And the bed. And the bench. Looks really good. I like that a lot. All right, hey guys, good afternoon. So we're just getting to Gorio's house. I got the mirror, and look what they've been up to. They've been hard at work. So they're at a good start at the terrace. And then this before, if you remember what this looked like before, just earlier today, this was not done yet, the finishing. So the hollow blocks were exposed. And then he started with the skim coat over here. So I don't think they rest much. They just keep working and working. It really brightens up the room with the white and the white walls, with the white ceiling and the white walls. So Mary Joy's not here yet. She's still at school. So I'm just gonna put her mirror here. And then that's a full size mirror. So it hangs on the door too. So you can either put it on the wall, or there's little connections for the door. You can put it on the door once there is one. But this room's pretty much done almost. It might need one more coat. And then this is almost done as well. So one of the next steps would be the floor mat, which we have right there. And then with good timing, we talked to Gorio, and he should be done with the furniture pretty soon. So there's going to be a bed, and then a bench for outside, which should be out here, and then a table. So it's all coming along pretty nicely.
Ako yung trabaho mayo kay mahapon na ron. May nang gamay-gamay lang kong trabaho.
Little bit by little bit, you worked all day?
Yeah, yeah.
Pagkahuman yung trabaho ko, pati ng kapuya kong lawas, una-ugman lang na. Ugman na.
He said he get tired, so he said, the rest will be just for tomorrow.
Yeah, take your time. There's no rush on this. So really good job, man. I really am proud of you. This looks really good. Not many people can say that they built their own house pretty much by themselves. So you should be proud, Gorio. You did a really good job.
Trabaho lang kita.
Work.
Yeah. Hopefully after this is all done, he can take a couple of rest days and just sit out here on the terrace, drink some coffee.
Yeah.
Thanks for helping today. So Gorio's helper today is actually his son-in-law. And look at this size of that camote. That was out of Gorio's garden. That is huge.
I even asked him last time that do you have camote there because you have galay, and he said I don't think so because they look smaller leaves.
Well, wow, lucky you. He didn't even know. It's like a treasure he didn't even know you had. So this is one of your daughters. Hi. So they're picking some galay here, or camote. So that was a huge one. That's where it came from. So all of this, when you see galay, you know that there's camote or potato right below it. And I did not know that before. I didn't really know what galay was. The purple ones are the ones that are good to eat.
Lapuan. Para bang ika kuha.
So don't judge by looks, by its looks, because he said look
Naday unod
not
eh.
healthy, but
Yeah.
Nagtuo
when
magkugoy
you dig
unod.
down, there are bigger.
Yeah, so now he knows. Now he can go
Unod ana.
get some camote.
Uban.
That's a good surprise too. Look at that thing.
Tanawa ko ng uban. Murag.
Man, that's gonna be a good feast.
Unod yan, ah.
Mm, that's yummy.
Yeah. You don't see them that big very often.
Violet niya dili.
Dili.
Yellow.
Did they plant this or just grew naturally?
Itanong ninyo tay? Tinanong ninyo?
Oh, gitanom ko ni atong pag
He planted all this.
Emiliana kay
Okay.
utanon lagi. Nya nagtuo ko gulay unod lang.
He doesn't know that there's a big surprise. I think he found something gold. Oh. Tundang.
Nako.
Oh, look at that one.
The heart.
Engin mo man.
Nice. Oh,
Nice.
like a heart shape.
Wa ko makatuto. Nadunggaban.
Wow. A duck?
Yeah, they all look like something different. That's Humpty Dumpty.
Nagtuo ko guwagi unod. Guwagi unod. Ha? Ito ko guwagi unod oy. Ang gabaw katong igani na ko ganiha ka uban, yung igani na ko ganiha. Bunod gid eda. Wag ko magdahaw managay.
I got a big one that time.
Looks like a shark.
Man, look at this collection. Wow. And they're still going strong. They're adding a new one like every 30 seconds. Look at that potato.
I was surprised.
I'm surprised too.
Blue potato.
Blue potato. Another one. We're gonna need more room. You're gonna have to get up soon so you can put more potatoes.
Wag ko magdahaw.
Yeah.
The kid was gonna kick me.
Man.
The kid will say, "Where is the potato here?"
Where'd they all go?
Then I always have trouble with kids.
Wag ko magdahaw.
We better count them now just to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
18.
Wow, 18 so far.
Tuwan, ito na nga.
Richie's making a trade. Wow.
Ugmaya.
Ah. Ay, sungay, sungay.
You guys are leaving for today? You don't want popcorn?
You know what? Because their kids will go home
Okay.
from school.
Well, nice meeting you.
We'll come
Take care.
Sige.
So that is part of Gorio's family. That's his daughter and his son-in-law. And his son-in-law was helping with the house, and we're paying him for his work. So it's like a double thing. So he's getting some money to take home to his family to buy some food or whatever he will use that for. Airplane. You can see it from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, the colors. So opening up the boxes, we received some microwavable popcorn. And some of you asked, how do you make popcorn if you don't have a microwave? So today, we're going to show you. We actually have popcorn all the time, right out of the microwavable packets, and we don't even use a microwave. So if you at home are wondering, and maybe you can try this at home, and it actually tastes pretty good.
Ayan, Hala, kalungay ko. They didn't. They said they didn't bring
There-
because for us. No, it's
Oh no.
Thai.
Salamat sila.
Well, we'll just leave it here for tomorrow. We won't take any home. So Gorio's son-in-law and daughter just left, and they left all these to give to me and Richie, but there's no way we can take them. So we'll leave these here for Gorio and Mary Joy to eat. But let's do the final count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Wow. So Gorio thought there was no camote out there, and there's 35 of them.
She said we got for them last time.
Like popcorn in a bag like this?
Yeah.
And did she cook it the same way like this?
Yeah, with her aunt.
Okay. So it's like a normal thing here to get popcorn. Usually you buy the little bags like this, so you can get them at like a Sar store. But it doesn't have any butter taste, it doesn't have any salt or anything like that. You can add your own, of course.
I think there's a lot of fire.
It's gonna be well done. Ooh, there goes the hairs off my knuckles.
Hindi na usa.
Couple are popping.
Pero palayan ka na ha. Grabe. Painitan lang kita. Naipon mo tanan.
Umitin lagi guro.
Oh. Get it, Jay. Right here. Come on.
Ada popcorn.
It's good. All right, so here's some province-style popcorn right over the fire.
Wait, no. How was it, Tatay Gorio? Here's the commercial. How to eat, how to eat.
If you guys have never had popcorn over a fire like this, I do recommend it.
Yeah.
It does taste just a little bit different. It's very delicious. And with the movie theater like kind of popcorn, you can really taste the butter and the salt in it. You don't have to add anything.
Pwede. This is a snack.
Perfect snack. It's really good.
Mukhang sarap tayo. Init. Very good. Very good cooked this.
Yeah, good job, Mary Joy. I like the brown ones.
Bukan.
Sa pila mantika mo palit dai, Jis dai? 20.
Besyo.
Pila mantika mo palit? Jis.
Pilang
Ang
lang.
gipadaan ni Kuya Justin, Europe.
Ah.
25.
Ah.
Habog.
I said, oh, it's like, I thought we'll just get 10 pesos of oil. But we have a lot. And she said, oh, Kuya Dustin gave extra. But I bought all. I bought oil.
The extra is for you.
Muha to sobra, makaon. Daghan na kay kag oil. But we can cook more popcorn.
Oh, good.
This is good.
It was really good.
In it and from the fire
Mm-hmm.
and black butter.
Yeah.
Amit man.
Popcorn. Sinangad.
Kato ang amuan, ang tosis.
Mungkin butter.
Butter naman.
So some of these walks out here are one of my favorites. If you keep going this way, that's where Rosie used to live and Maria before they moved. But once you like walk up there, like in the mountains, you get like on top, you can see everything.
Doon na doon ulingan.
Really nice
Wala
area.
pa ako natangkat-katon.
Yeah.
Doon
It's
doon
really,
ulingan.
you know, nice view. You can see cows, like you're really in a province.
Oh,
Cow, dog, birds flying, airplanes passing.
yeah, this is a really cool spot.
There's veggies in the yard.
Yep, 35 of those. I can't believe it.
Did you see his squash there? He planted it.
He has squash too.
Yeah.
So there's a little bit of everything. Squash, the camote. And then what's that one called again?
What's up, ganitay?
Huh?
Kini? Kulo.
Tulo.
Kolo.
Kulo.
And we made that long ago, I think, at Blutoys.
Mm.
You just cook it over a fire, like in the whole thing.
There are 3 ways of cooking that. It's either fry, grilled, and the one with coconut milk.
And we did it, we cooked it right over a fire.
All of it.
Oh, we did all
Tried.
3?
Mm.
Okay. The one I kind of remember the most is cooking over the fire.
Mm.
But we did all, I think, in one video, didn't we? Or at least we did maybe 1 or 2. But the one we did, I remember, is brown sugar and butter?
Oil.
I remember brown sugar because
Brown
it
sugar,
really
that's-
tastes like brown sugar.
The
It was
one
really
you
sweet
like
and
it. It's
good.
like barbecue.
Ang
It's going fast.
gito ra Japan ilang balay.
Just talking, and eat.
Before you know it, the popcorn's gone. We did bring another bag, so we might do 1 more.
We will feel it for you guys, the fresh air.
Very nice breeze. Today and yesterday, we're kind of like on the cooler side, which was nice. It's not so like init when you're out in there in the sun, walking back and forth, even driving sometimes, especially when you have shorts on, it really does burn your legs. But today is a perfect day. This is round number 2.
La 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 la.
Magdidento.
Ay, dapat eh. Wala mantika.
Gaya.
Dapat na makamat pasok ka.
Iya bu.
Wow.
Mura
I
ba
can
ba?
see it.
Smells really good.
Wow.
No.
That pops really good.
Napadyo na. Kurot na day. Ringit sir.
I think it might be done.
Mana day? Isa day.
So next on the menu is the camote.
Kuan ni kung kamuti ka. Ma kanabang murag mo kutundugan nga.
So right now they're gonna start eating the camote that they dug up. And on the way home, we're gonna give the rest to Gorio's daughter and son-in-law. They're kind of on the way home, so we're gonna drop this off to them. And they cooked up a good amount here.
Tao na ta.
The popcorn went fast.
Day, kamo lang gagmay.
This has got to be one of the better views. Sitting right here is pretty nice. Overlooking the mountains and everything.
Kuan eh.
It's a perfect time of day right now. Nice and cool.
Day, kamuti. Ang Dustin eh.
I'm okay. I'm alright.
Ay, mahugaw na.
Ito day.
Ay, lainan ti ay kay bata lain mo. Hugaw.
Init. Di man din yun.
Ana-ana ho, ana-ana. Oh ha. Ana.
Iinit kini mo kamo.
So this is your first time finding camote out here, Mary Joy?
Mori primero ni mo kita kamuti anang tanong lolo? Ha? Yes.
First time, wow. And they found 35. And there's still more out there.
She didn't know there's kamote because her lolo said no, there's no kamote.
Yeah, so it's good that they know now.
Ana-ana ti ay, ana-ana. Wag tangga. Wag tangga.
Fresh adik.
Kay og
Fresh from the garden. Nothing
No, that was like picked today and cooked today and eaten
Yes.
today.
Yes.
Really good camote day.
Karon ko na roti.
Tamis.
Tamis.
Tamis na.
Kamayan ng guro ni.
Very sweet.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, you want to bite?
I'll try just a little bite.
Init kayo. Talaga.
That is good. And that's not even violet, right?
Yeah.
And that is sweet.
One more. One big bite.
All right. It's like you're smoking ice cream.
Alin na?
Come on, te.
That's good.
Oo. Buniti niya.
Lalala, init.
Ah, kay! Ilan na natin yung mic. Ano? Ah, di mali mo. Kapaw mo, Maji. Ako. Alis na naong na o.
Balin ako.
Ang uban biya na mo sa una dili aming subao.
Pwede no. Oh, subaon. I noticed in Thailand, they grill this.
Yeah.
Here, we...
You,
Mas
you,
lami pa.
have you never tried it grilled?
Suba.
That's another way.
Subaon, guys? They tried.
They tried.
Yeah, I tried barbecue only in...
Which way is your favorite way to cook it?
Ano ganahan naman, guys? Subaon, namion, or barbecue?
Bibigyohon. Wapo na bibigyohon.
Dito.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Papa, lami ba lami?